Now if we look at our other key concept box here, we'll see that changing dimensions of a figure can also affect the area, but it's going to affect it a little bit differently than it does the perimeter. It says there in words, if the dimensions of a polygon are multiplied by x, then the area of the polygon changes by x times x, or x squared. So right now that probably doesn't make much sense, so let's look at that model that they have there. So figure A, you've got your length and width of 5 and 4. Figure B has a length of 10 and a width of 8. So I can see that to get from figure A to figure B, that we multiplied the dimensions by 2. So when you do that, 5 times 2 is 10 and 4 times 2 is 8. How will that affect the areas? Well, my original area of figure A, 5 is length times width, so 5 times 4, which is 20 units squared. And my figure B area would be length times width, 10 times 8, which is 80 units squared. So if I were to compare them, that 80 is 4 times greater than the area of figure A, which is 20. So 20 times 2 squared, because the dimensions were being multiplied by 2, so the area is going to be multiplied by 2 squared, or squaring the amount that you're multiplying the dimension by, and you would get 80. This might be a little more confusing, so let's look at example 2. The side lengths of the triangle at the right are multiplied by 5. What effect would this have on the area? Justify your answer. So again, when it asks you to justify your answer, you do need to show your work, and the expectations for work are that you would find the measurement of the original and then of the new figure, and then you would compare them before writing an answer statement. So if you look at your original figure here, okay, you would find the area of this original triangle, and to find the area of a triangle we have to do 1/2 times base times height. So they do 1/2 times 2 times 1, and you find that the area is 1 square centimeter. With the new area then of your next figure, okay, your new figure, you still would do 1/2 times base times height. So you can do 1/2 times 10 times 5, and you get an area of 25 square centimeters. Now that I found the area of both of my figures, I can compare these by dividing. So take the new one and divide it by the original, 25 square centimeters divided by 1 square centimeter, and it will be 25, or 5 squared. So the area is 5 squared, or 25 times the area of the original figure. Try the got it problem below to check your understanding.